Hi, I'm Sean with Fluke. Let's talk through the 10 things a solar technician has to worry about and how to deal with each one. Safety. Solar technicians work with high voltages and currents, which can be dangerous. Safety should be a primary concern, which means understanding proper safety protocols and having the right PPE or personal protective equipment is vital. System performance. Ensuring that solar installation is performing optimally is key. Technicians must be adept at using performance monitoring tools to detect and diagnose any inefficiencies or malfunctions. Electrical troubleshooting. Diagnosing and fixing electrical problems is a regular part of a solar technician's job. This includes identifying issues with inverters, wiring, or connectors that could be reducing the system's output or causing safety hazards. Solar panel efficiency. Technicians must worry about factors that can affect solar panel efficiency, such as shading, soiling, orientation, and tilt angle. Regular maintenance and proper installation are critical to mitigate these concerns. Environmental conditions. Solar installations are exposed to various environmental conditions, like extreme temperatures, wind, and hail. Technicians need to ensure that installations can withstand these conditions over time. Code compliance. Adherence to local, state, and national electrical code is mandatory. Technicians have to be up to date on the latest codes and standards to ensure that installations are compliant. System design and compatibility. Understanding system design and ensuring the compatibility of components is crucial. This includes matching panel specifications with inverter and battery storage systems, as well as ensuring the proper balance of system components. Data analysis. Interpreting data collected from solar PV systems is important for assessing system health and performance. Technicians must be adept at using analytic tools and software to make informed decisions. Maintenance and repair. Ongoing maintenance is necessary to keep solar installations working efficiently. Technicians need to be prepared to clean panels, replace components, and update system software. Customer service and communication. Technicians often interact with clients, explaining complex technical information in an understandable way. Creating detailed reports from any maintenance work can help, but they must also be able to address customer concerns, provide clear maintenance instructions, and sometimes educate clients about their solar systems. To effectively manage these concerns, solar technicians can utilize a variety of specialized tools. These tools include multimeters, clamp meters, thermal cameras, IV curve tracers, PV testers, and solar irradiance meters. Instruments like these help technicians make voltage and current measurements, test insulation resistance, analyze system performance, and ensure safety and efficiency of solar PV installations.